Good morning, lovelies. This morning I want to talk about some of the unconscious learning, some of the beliefs that you may have left over from all of the diets or philosophies, healthy eating philosophies that you may have done in the last couple of decades. Because by the time us women reach midlife, there is a lot going on in here. And often our food choices can be dictated to by some of these things in the past. And what I've found is that some of my clients will be doing things that are not helping them reach their goals. And for most of my clients, that goal is weight loss. So they are doing all of these things that they think are healthy, but in actual fact, they're definitely stopping them from being able to release weight. But you are not to know that. So, for example, one of my clients, I have quite a few clients who have smoothies in the morning, and they might be putting things in there like a tablespoon of almond paste or peanut paste or coconut oil or something like that. And these types of philosophies could be left over from maybe a keto diet or a high-fat, low-carb diet, or even there are some philosophies around saying that you need to have healthy fat at every single meal. Now, depending on your weight loss goals, where you want to be headed, that could be undoing everything that you're trying to do. And so, I make sure that you're getting healthy fats, but in my opinion, we don't need as much as we think we do. And so we also want to be having healthy fats that also have the fiber in them. So, there's a lot going on here. And there could be lots of things. So do you think that there might be some things that you're doing that are preventing you from releasing weight, all in the name of eating healthy? And, how are you to know that? Because, we are bombarded with so many diets over the years, with, all of the marketing that we listen to. I mean, I talked last week about, the leftover, the remnant from the I Quit Sugar movement, which was fantastic, but we threw the baby out with the bathwater, and now I have clients who don't eat fruit in fear of, putting on weight because they contain sugar. And so, that can be affecting their health because they're missing out on all that goodness. They're also missing out on some very important fiber from whole fruits. So, do you know? How do you know? Often you don't know until you speak to someone like myself, who can shine a light, who can look into what you're doing every day and just very clearly see some of these, beliefs that you've carried over in the name of trying to do the right thing. Because most of my clients are trying to do the right thing, trying to get healthy, trying to lose weight, in the best possible and easiest way. Anyway, I hope that helps shine a bit of a light onto some of the things that you're doing. If you've got any questions, pop them below, and hope you have a great day.